Are you a data enthusiast aiming to improve your skills in machine learning? Do you want to leverage the power of Python, one of the most popular programming languages for data science? Or perhaps you're a professional wanting to enhance your career by understanding and applying machine learning algorithms. Welcome to the Machine Learning with Python training. This comprehensive training will navigate you through the fascinating world of machine learning, from understanding algorithms to model creation, and finally, to data interpretation. This training delves deep into the intricacies of machine learning, focusing on data preprocessing, regression analysis, and neural networks. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.